How to fix this error code in Helldivers 2. First, you need to remove mods and old game data. Fully uninstall or disable all Helldivers 2 mods. Mods often linger even when disabled, triggering this error. On Steam, navigate to your game directory and delete the data folder entirely. Use a cleanup script for a thorough purge. Many players recommend Hellbomb script by Bob the Builder. Run it with the following options: H. Detect mods, Q. Delete detected mods, CMS. Clear local game data, Steam cloud saves, and reset Steam settings. Post cleanup, verify game files via Steam. Go to Steam Library, Helldivers 2, Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.